Now I will show you how to assemble our weld mobile handwash set. Here, this is the base water tank. Scrape the stand clamp on the water tank. The other one. Make sure the clamp scraped in the lock point. You can check here. It have two special structure. Put it on the top of the clamp and press in the top of the clamp. Press like this. Perfect. The other way. Also make sure the point which you press is on the top of the clamp. That's okay. Then you can assemble the water pin from the two rings and through the holes of the corner of the workspace corner. We have 4 holes. Which one you like, you can put the front edge. You can assemble the pin at where. Then screw this. Press back to the holes. That's okay. This is the flexible drive pin assembled on the bottom of the workspace. We also have an air release cap square on the adapter and put this on the filling opening of the base water tank. Here, this hand soap dispenser. Put it here. This is the cap. Okay, that's okay. After filling the water, you can use this set.